What is metadata? In basic terms, a metadata is just data about other data. It sounds confusing, but it makes great sense once you understand the concept behind it. Let's say you have 10 books which you just got in a gift and you know nothing about them yet. Like you don't know the subject of each book, the author of the book, and when the book was written, or the chapters in each of the books. You know nothing about them yet. But if I provide you a short summary in few words defining each book, then it will be a lot easier for you to guess the subject of the book and decide which one you want to read first. That same kind of summary is called metadata. The only difference is it is quite verbose and defines entire book and its content, not just title or subject, but many other factors are the characteristics of the book. When you submit a request on Google or any search engine, it doesn't scan millions of documents in real time for you, but it only search its short list of metadata, which is stored in some kind of index storage as we discussed in previous lesson. And from that storage, it can relate the metadata with the actual documents. And from there, it knows which documents to send you back as a result so that you might be interested in looking further into them. Isn't this an amazing concept? Think about it.